Los Angeles. Yeah.
Hey everybody, good morning. This is Scott Verstashi, Vice President of Sales for X2 at the Los Angeles Building Expo here at the Los Angeles Convention Center. I'm here with Konstantin Daskalov. He is the US VP of Operations for Stack Modular. Say hello.
Hello.
He is a man of many words. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what Stack Modular does?
So at Stack Modular, we are basically structural steel modular manufacturer. We design, engineer, and build buildings, and usually tall buildings, from steel structured modular units. And we're a custom bespoke manufacturer, so we basically are not privy to we manufacture only with certain sizes. We basically do anything that is needed to produce the least amount of modular units or Lego pieces to build a building. Our only caveat is the logistics, which basically we can build the largest Lego piece you can truck to a job site.
Interesting. So obviously there's a lot of competition in commercial real estate and building multifamily residential buildings and other office buildings. What separates you from your competitors?
So the biggest separating factor for us is we don't sell modular units. Although we manufacture modular units, I come from a development background. As of 2 years ago, I was actually a client of Stack. I realized through my search of different modular companies in the industry that the differentiating factor is the ability to manufacture and execute at capacity, the ability to control design, the ability to work with the developer and provide developers the solution that I never had as a developer.
That's amazing. So you started off as a client, and now you're the vice president of U.S. operations.
Yes.
Talk about believing in what you're selling, huh?
Exactly.
So why don't you tell us a little bit about a success story? Why do customers love you?
Typically, because our typical clients are developers. Me understanding the financial side of the business, the performance that they need to meet, understanding the fact of how everything is structured, helps us basically become partners with them on a level that if we were just a modular manufacturer, you don't get a seat at that table. You usually, in a usual situation, you get treated like a typical subcontractor under a GC. In this case, we are partnering with developers and specific general contractors to provide a solution that allows the developer to build a building at the right target price and definitely at half the amount of time that it usually would take.
Saving time and money. That's what everybody wants to hear. Absolutely
Exactly.
love that. So what's a new innovation or some breaking news you want to share with the audience?
Well, without revealing too much of the secret sauce, what we're trying to accomplish is we find ourselves in a situation where we are typically 70% of the square footage of the building and usually less than 50% of the cost. The reason for that is general contractors, and especially the MEP subcontractors that need to do the connections in the corridors for all the MEP building systems, they usually find themselves in a situation where from a traditional background, they overprice and over expect on what they need to do in the corridors to connect these modules. What we're doing right now is finding ways to pre-wire, do everything in a way that allows, instead of a connection that usually would take 4 hours between mods, we can drill it down to less than 30 minutes. So the innovation is finding not only the way to erect the building and build it fast, but allow the general contractor and their subcontractors to complete the actual building and put everything together much faster.
Absolutely love that. So you're under-promising and over-delivering compared to the rest of the...
Typically.
As opposed to what
Typically.
people hate in the building industry, where people
Exactly.
overpromise and under-deliver.
Under-deliver, yes.
Awesome. Well, this is Konstantin. He's the man. Come visit him in his booth. What booth are you guys at?
121
121. Come visit Konstantin and his lovely assistant. Her name is Shelby. She doesn't want to be on camera, so we're going to call her out, and Adam's going to do a quick little turn cameo.
She's camera shy.
All right, and this is Scott Frastaschi reporting live from the Los Angeles Convention Center here in Los Angeles for the LA Building Expo. Stay tuned for the next installment. Talk to you soon.